how to create a Hulu account. So if you want to create a Hulu account, then first of all, you need to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. So now you can simply click on that search bar and then search for Hulu. And after searching here, you will have www.hulu.com. Click on that. So here you will have a Hulu website. So what you can do is you can simply go for sign up for Hulu only. Click on that. And from here, if you want to sign up, then you have to choose a base plan. So choose or select any plan that you would like. So I'll be choosing this plan. And now to create your account on your Hulu, first you have to enter your email address. And after entering, on the next blank, you have to create a password. And then you have to enter your name. And after that, you have to enter your date of birth. And after entering that, you have to select your gender. And after entering all of your information, you can simply click on continue, so that you agree to the subscriber agreement and agree to the privacy policy. And after clicking on this continue, you will Hulu will send you a link to your email address which you have just provided, and then you have to simply click on that link. And after clicking on that link, you will be ready to use your Hulu account. So you have created your Hulu account by these steps. So that's it. That's how you create your Hulu account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.